The Tesla Model S doesn't turn off in the traditional sense like gasoline cars. Instead, it enters a low-power standby mode to maintain features like remote app access and over-the-air updates. Several factors can prevent this standby, including a failing 12-volt auxiliary battery, which is common in models over 5 years old. Software glitches in the media control unit or autopilot processor can also cause issues, as can the climate control system staying active. We'll explore these problems and basic troubleshooting steps. Remember, for the car to shut down correctly, all doors must be closed and the car must be in park. Before diving into more complex solutions, try a hard reset. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This often resolves software hangs. Also, ensure your car has the latest software by connecting to Wi-Fi and checking for updates in the settings menu. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air OTA updates that address power management bugs. Consider visiting a supercharger for the fastest updates. A weak or failing 12-volt auxiliary battery is often the culprit behind your Tesla Model S not fully shutting down. This battery powers essential low-voltage systems like door locks, alarms, and the central computer. Specifically, it provides power to door locks, alarm systems, the central computer that controls the touchscreen, and other basic electronic components. When the 12-volt battery fails, your Model S may not enter sleep mode properly. You might notice the touchscreen remains illuminated, the climate control stays active, or the battery drains significantly even when parked. Corrosion on terminals is a common sign, as shown here. If your Model S is over 5 years old, the 12-volt battery is likely due for inspection. Older batteries naturally degrade and become more susceptible to failure. You can test the battery by scheduling an appointment at a Tesla service center or taking it to a local auto parts store. Professionals can also check for parasitic draws using a multimeter. Readings above 0.05 amps indicate an electrical fault. If replacement is needed, Tesla service centers typically charge around $200 for a new 12-volt auxiliary battery. This is a preventive measure to ensure your Model S operates reliably. If the touchscreen remains illuminated or unresponsive, the MCU may be the problem. Try accessing Tesla's service menu by tapping the Tesla T logo at the top of the screen 10 times. This might provide diagnostic information or allow you to force a reboot of the MCU. Persistent screen freezes could indicate hardware degradation, particularly in older models. Tesla has proactively replaced faulty MCUs in some 2021 Model S refresh vehicles, so check if your car is eligible for a replacement. The climate control system, also known as HVAC, may remain active after attempting to shut down the vehicle. This happens when the system detects a need for cabin conditioning, particularly in extreme temperatures, where it prioritizes maintaining a comfortable interior environment. To resolve this, ensure that features like cabin overheat protection or keep climate on are disabled. These settings can be found in the climate control menu on either the car's touchscreen or through the Tesla mobile app. Another common cause is a faulty climate sensor. When this sensor malfunctions, it may incorrectly detect temperature extremes, causing the HVAC system to activate continuously even when the vehicle should be powering down. Symptoms of a bad temperature sensor include irregular cooling performance, frequent AC cycling, unusual frost buildup, and the AC blowing hot air instead of cold. To diagnose further, monitor power draws using Tesla's API through third-party applications. This can help identify if the HVAC system is indeed the source of excessive power consumption preventing shutdown. If the HVAC is confirmed as the issue, Tesla may provide a software patch through an over-the-air update to resolve the faulty sensor or control logic, allowing the vehicle to shut down properly. For advanced troubleshooting of Tesla Model S shutdown issues, we need to examine parasitic draws on the 12-volt auxiliary battery. These are unwanted electrical drains that prevent the vehicle from entering sleep mode. Parasitic draws occur when electrical components continue drawing power even after the car should be in sleep mode. Common causes include modules that fail to shut down properly or faulty wiring. To measure parasitic draws, use a digital multimeter connected in series between the 12-volt battery cable and terminal. Set the meter to measure current in amps or milliamps. A normal reading should be less than 0.05 amps. Anything above this threshold indicates an electrical fault requiring attention. If you detect excessive parasitic draws, consult a qualified technician or visit a Tesla service center. These issues often require specialized equipment and knowledge to diagnose properly, and attempting DIY fixes can lead to further damage or safety concerns. While Tesla discourages unauthorized modifications, some experienced owners use OBD2 scanners to access real-time diagnostic data. These tools can help monitor electrical systems and identify faults. However, proceed with caution, as unauthorized modifications may affect your vehicle's warranty coverage. To prevent future shutdown issues with your Tesla Model S, start by adopting good daily habits. Always fully close all apps before exiting the vehicle, and double-check that all doors are properly closed. This prevents unnecessary power draws that can interfere with sleep mode. Regularly check for Tesla's over-the-air software updates and install them as soon as they become available. These updates often include bug fixes for power management and battery algorithms that can resolve shutdown problems. Take advantage of the Tesla mobile app's built-in features. The sleep mode toggle can be used to manually force your vehicle into a low power state, which is especially helpful when automatic shutdown fails. For Model S vehicles from earlier production years, consider upgrading to a solid-state 12-volt auxiliary battery through Tesla's service program. This modern battery technology offers better reliability and reduces the risk of power management issues that can prevent proper shutdown. If you've exhausted these troubleshooting steps and the problem persists, it's time to contact Tesla service. Document the issue with photos or videos and provide detailed information about the symptoms you're experiencing. Remember, Tesla engineers state that most non-shutdown issues stem from user habits, but a persistent problem could indicate a hardware fault requiring professional attention. Schedule diagnostics at a service center for professional attention.